Hey everybody, good morning, good afternoon, and very good evening to all of you, wherever you are watching from. Thank you so much for joining in. My name is Pinky Thaplyal and I am from Auckland, New Zealand. I hope you all are doing well. And today I have one of the most important questions that is being asked by so many clients. So let me clarify it for you and let's get started. So the question is, what are the benefits of digital business and why we should prefer digital business instead of a traditional business? So as you guys know, digital business runs online. That means we need only our laptop, internet, Wi-Fi, and our website that we create later on. So that's all we need for the digital business, and everything else runs online. That means we don't have to buy a physical shop, pay rent, recruit the staffs, and buy so many resources to run our business, which is one of the great thing about it. That means it is very cost effective. If we see the startup cost, it is very low compared to the traditional business that require all the documents of the property, buying, selling, and all those hassles. So, to avoid all these things, digital business is one of the best of, which means this digital business is environmental friendly and not leaving any carbon footprints behind, leading to a greener and healthier earth. Another benefit of a digital business is its flexibility because we are based on internet. That means we can schedule our hours anytime we like, and unlike the traditional business which has set time for opening and closing, we can set our own hours. We can decide whenever we want to do work, and we can make a schedule according to our commitments, according to our family's commitment, and everything else going around us. Number three benefit is global reach. Because we are using the internet, that means our customers are not limited to one geographical area, but we can advertise anywhere around the globe. That means more possibilities and more customers for our digital business. And we can deliver our services to a wider audience and benefit more people and more revenue from the business. Because we are using our website, that means our business is running even when we are sleeping, and customer can check out the services we are providing through our website. That means we are not in time constraints, that we have to be awake while customers are buying products or services from our website. What does that mean? It means the passive income. That means you are earning even when you are doing other work or you are going around or having holiday, enjoying your life. That's a win-win situation. Another benefit of having a digital business is the data and insights. As we are using the digital platforms and social media platforms, we are also gathering the information about our customers. What are their likes? What do they prefer? And based on that data, we make our services better and provide the most accurate information and services to the clients, which helps us to maintain that connection and bring those customers back to us e- every time they want to buy or they want to use our services. There are many more benefits of having a digital business. I'm not listing all of them here because the video is gonna be too long otherwise. As you all know that social media is used by everyone today. Even the kids are using it. So that's why many people are opting for digital business because it makes it accessible to reach the potential customers and bring our services and products to the clients, which gives us a higher probability of delivering the services to the client, helping them and generating a higher revenue from the digital business. Thank you so much for joining in, and I will be sharing more videos answering your questions later on. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.